So Sensational has a new collection called Crown Edge. This one has a widow's peak hairline, and I did get her in the color 1B. This is the straight haired one in the inches of 28. And my first impressions of this hairline, I was obsessed. Okay, when I say Sensational put they knees, ankles, armpits, elbows, everything they could put into this hairline, they did that, because the way it was giving virgin hair is ridiculous. They did that. Now, the texture and the feel of the hair, we're going to get into that a little bit later, because I was like, what is this? But anyway, I think they say this is a 13 by 5. Not a full 13 by 5, but like I said, you get a little bit more parting space, more so in the center. It does come with the elastic band for the ones that wanted to wear it glueless. And I just wanted to show you guys up close and personal of like the hair texture and the ends. So this is what it looks like when I put it on my head. Like I said, the hairline is definitely doing what it needs to do. You're definitely going to have to go in and tint the lace, of course, but this is the first overall view of the hair. I'm going into, lightly finger to tingle just to see what I'm working with. So I'm just taking my brush and, brushing everything out. And it does have a little shine to it. I'm going to go in with my Red by Kiss Lace Tinting Spray in the shade Medium Brown. And I'm just going to go ahead and tint the lace. I want to do a very light coating. Sometimes I know I can go too heavy with this lace tinting spray and I make my scalp look like I painted it. That's not the goal. So you really only need like a light, tint of it, just so it can look more natural. The more you add, the less natural it's gonna look. But look at this hairline, y'all. I'm pushing the baby hairs. It does come with baby hairs, which you can push it back into the hairline and not use them at all. Going in with my hot comb, y'all. I had my hot comb too high. I forgot this was a synthetic wig, so I did turn it down back to 5. And if your hot comb is too hot, it's going to change the texture of the hair, and that's not what I was getting at. So I didn't stress the comb all the way through. I just wanted just a little bit of, the hairline to be a little bit more laid. Y'all, I lost all my scissors, so I got to use these big old kitchen scissors. I couldn't even. I'm like, how did I lose every pair of scissors that I had? To the point, you see how big these scissors are, but they're going to get the job done today. Secure this lay all day lace adhesive. This is my first time using this product. On the bottle it says that you need to do 3 layers of this product. So I do a layer, then I blow dry, and then I come back and do another layer, and then I blow dry, and then I come back and do another layer, and I blow dry. For me, with lace sprays, I'm just not used to doing a lot. Okay, I like doing the bare minimum because I'm a little bit lazy. So I'm used to working with other lace sprays where you don't have to build up the hold. So I'm gonna still work with this product a little bit more before I give like my my final thoughts and opinion on it. So look at this, y'all. Look how natural this looks. This hairline is down. I love it. Natural. So we're going to go ahead and clip up the hair. I'm going to go ahead and use this little mini edge band. And we're just going to allow that to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, so I let it sit for a couple of minutes. And this is how the hairline looks. Okay. I really like it. And of course, when you back up, it's going to look even more like Yeah, right? Yeah. So anyway, we're just gonna go ahead and what are we doing? Oh, I'm gonna do some baby hairs. All right, so now y'all watch the install. This is how it turned out. One thing I'm gonna say about this wig is definitely big head friendly. The construction of it, maybe it's because the wig is big, so it's literally sitting on top of my ear. It doesn't hurt, okay? It's comfortable, but if I put it behind my ear, because it is designed to go behind your ear, it's going to pull the end of the lace back. It does have an adjustable elastic band, didn't use that either. I did have it tightened for a period of time, but I ended up loosening it. I feel like when you wear your wigs, if you wear your synthetic wigs glueless, it's gonna be snug here, but on the ends, that's gonna lift, okay? The plucking, just the peak, the widow's peak hairline, they really did what they're supposed to do with the hairline. I don't have no complaints when it come down to the widow's peak and the finish of the hair. I love how this hair looks. The layers, you wouldn't think that this unit is layered at all. On the model, you see everything is cohesive and it flows together. I think it's just because the hair is fresh. So, you know, you got the fresh, I don't know, I like it. I feel like it was different, I don't know. I don't know how it looks like when I watch it back, but you know. It says it's 100% premium fiber. It means 100% synthetic. I don't know how I feel about it, y'all, because I just know that it tangled a lot. And I was kind of disappointed. I'm like, not it tangling, but it was doing a lot of tangling. And shedding, it was doing some shedding, y'all. To me, straight hair, it's gonna be doing a lot. Okay, so if you don't have a brush, get you a brush because you just gonna need it. So yeah, that is it. That is all for today's video. I'll be sure to link her in the description section below just in case you guys are interested. And what was I about to say? Oh yeah, I didn't rate it, obviously. I'm gonna give it an 8, okay? I'm not gonna give it a 7, I'm gonna give it an 8 because like I said, I see the potential. I still love it. It's still a bond.com wig, but you know, yeah, so I'm gonna give it an 8. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready to go to sleep, and until my next video, you're gonna see you later. Bye guys.